Look around. From towering redwoods to tiny bacteria, Earth brims with countless life forms. But how did this variety arise? Modern genetics and evolution research show that life's diversity doesn't happen by accident. It's driven by DNA changes, environmental pressures, and natural selection across billions of years. All living things carry genetic information in their DNA. Small differences or mutations in that DNA can alter traits. Some changes are helpful, some harmful, and many neutral. Over generations, beneficial changes spread, fueling the rise of new species and adding to life's rich tapestry. These genetic variations aren't planned. They appear randomly through copying errors or environmental influences. Yet natural selection sifts through them, favoring traits that help organisms survive and reproduce. This selective process shapes populations, refining them to fit different habitats and challenges. And environments vary widely. Think polar ice caps, tropical rainforests, deep oceans. Each setting rewards different traits. Polar bears thrive with thick fur and body fat, while desert plants survive with spines and water-storing tissues. This range of environments pushes evolution in multiple directions, generating more biodiversity. Gene flow also boosts diversity. When members of a species move to a new area, they mingle and breed, introducing fresh genes into local populations. Over time, these genetic exchanges can spark major changes, branching off new species adapted to local conditions. Sometimes populations face sudden challenges: climate shifts, volcanic eruptions, disease. Those with certain lucky mutations adapt and pass on their genes. Others perish. This rapid winnowing can reshape life's variety in a short span, leading to bursts of new species or, sadly, mass extinctions. Evolution doesn't march toward perfection. It's more like many paths branching out. A trait that works in one scenario might flop in another. This branching process, driven by changing environments and random mutations, leads to life's dazzling range of forms, from butterflies to blue whales. Scientists often talk about adaptive radiation, where a single group quickly diversifies to fill different niches. After dinosaurs went extinct, mammals exploded into countless forms: bats, whales, primates, because new opportunities opened up with fewer reptilian competitors around. The Cambrian Explosion, about 541 million years ago, was another huge diversification event. Suddenly, Earth's oceans teemed with bizarre, complex creatures, many sporting shells, spines, or eyes. Why was the Cambrian Explosion so explosive? Scientists propose rising oxygen levels, new predator-prey arms races, and genetic innovations like Hox genes that control body plans. These factors created rapid evolutionary experiments, leading to a kaleidoscope of new body designs. Fossils from the Cambrian, like the iconic trilobites or oddball hallucigenia, show how evolution was trying out designs. Many lineages went extinct. Others thrived, leading to everything from insects to vertebrates. This experiment underpins the complexity we see in today's animal kingdom. Genomic studies today reveal hidden branches of life. Microbes once dismissed as simple have huge genetic variety, fueling entire ecosystems. Without them, Earth's cycles of nitrogen, carbon, or oxygen would collapse. Natural selection encourages diversity by rewarding any trait that provides a survival edge. In complex ecosystems, countless niches exist: on tree bark, in deep-sea vents, under desert rocks. Each niche favors different adaptations, creating an ever-expanding mosaic of life forms. Random chance plays a role too. Events like asteroid impacts or volcanic eruptions reshuffle ecosystems. Species that survive may dominate afterward, evolving into new forms as they exploit newly vacant niches, igniting another burst of biodiversity. Is there a limit to how diverse life can get? Possibly, but Earth's changing environments keep opening new evolutionary doors. As long as habitats differ and genetics mutate, life continues branching out, weaving new chapters in the story of biodiversity. For humanity, understanding life's diversity isn't just academic. Biodiversity drives ecosystems that pollinate our crops, purify water, and cycle nutrients. It's also a treasure trove of scientific and medical insights, from new drugs to sustainable materials inspired by nature's ingenious solutions. So why is life on Earth so diverse? Because over immense time, genes mutate, environments shift, and natural selection sorts out winners and losers. The Cambrian Explosion jump-started animal variety, but that was only one chapter in a never-ending saga of innovation and adaptation, a story we're still discovering today.